Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of spice curry and how to make a simple chicken curry stew. Spice curry is not just delicious, but also packed with health benefits. It contains a variety of spices such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and cardamom, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Curry spices may also help boost digestion and improve gut health. Additionally, spices in curry can help lower blood sugar levels and support weight management. Curry spices are rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Including curry in your diet may also strengthen your immune system due to the presence of garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Now, let's move on to the recipe for a chicken curry stew. To make this delicious dish, you'll need chicken, spices such as curry powder, paprika, cumin, and coriander, onions, garlic, ginger, coconut milk, and chicken broth. Start by heating some oil in a large pot and sauté the onions, garlic, and ginger until golden. Add the chicken pieces and cook until browned. Next, add the curry powder, paprika, cumin, and coriander, and stir well to coat the chicken. Pour in the coconut milk and chicken broth, and bring the stew to a simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Serve your chicken curry stew over a bed of steamed rice or with some warm naan bread. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. This chicken curry stew is not only easy to make, but it's also incredibly delicious and packed with the benefits of spice curry. So, give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and health tips.